Assalamu alaikum members. In this video I'm going to tell you how we're going to copy the online responses that we get from the Google form into SPSS. So when you are doing your own research work, you make a Google form and you get responses from the Google form. Normally the responses are in the drive, so you go to your Google Drive. What you do, you open your Google form. And here you can see you got 149 responses. You click on the responses and then click on the spreadsheet. Here you can see all the responses that you get from the online questionnaire. It is very similar to the Excel sheet that I have provided you for the learning purpose. See, you can see it is similar to this one. So the thing, if you notice, is in the Google form responses, the answers are in alphabetical form, where in SPSS the data we need is in numerical form. Open your variable file, click on the variable view. Here in type you can see all the variables are in numeric. What does this mean? It means that all the data that you are going to enter in your SPSS data view needs to be in a numerical form. For example, gender should be 1 or 2. Okay? If you click on this button, then it will convert it to female. But what if you try to write female? No, it will not accept it. The data needs to be in a numerical form, otherwise SPSS will not accept it. So how are we going to make our data in a numerical form, though it is in alphabetical form? So in the variables start from the age. These two things are not required, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete these two columns, insert one more column, and we name that column as ID. So this is the spreadsheet of the final year student of the Kabir Medical College. So then label that we are going to provide it is going to be KE1, and through ID number we're going to identify the respondents, and so on. These will go to KE20. So now the thing is, how we're going to replace this alphabetical form into a numeric form. For that we will go and click on the Find and Select option, go to the second option, which is Replace, and we're going to replace male with 1. Replace all. Now you can see the male has been converted into 1, but look what happened to females. They all converted into F1. So for that purpose, we're going to label these alphabetical in our variable view very carefully. Now you can see in the gender, if you go to value, you can see I have given the value 1 to female and 2 to male, so that online responses can be easily converted into a numeric form. So now if I convert the female first and give them value 1, replace all, you can see only the female has been converted, and then I will convert the male to number 2 and replace all. In this way, I have converted the gender into a numerical form. Similarly, Kabir Medical College going to be converted into a. Now go to the variable view, go to the institution value. Kabir Medical College is given fourth value. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Find and replace. Kabir Medical College is given the value 4, replace all has been converted. Similarly, fifth year is going to be converted in a numeric 5, and high school type, if you can see, FSC is 1, A level 2 and others 3. According to these values, all these numerics going to be replaced. But the thing, if you notice, is this one, parent's profession. The parent's profession is doctor, the one doctor, okay. Now if you go to the hepatitis topic questionnaire, which is here, you can see the doctor is repeated twice. Once in the demographic section where we asked the parent's profession and the value that is given to doctor is 3rd, and when you go down to question number 16, which say who would you consult about your illness, and again the option doctor is given, and here the value is given 2. So in such cases, what we're going to do, we are going to replace doctor with 3. Okay. Replace all. 20 replacement has been made. Now look here, the doctor has been converted. Now if you go back to question number 16, this, you can see all the doctors here has been converted into 3 too, but the value that is given in this question to doctor is 2. So we're going to replace it with 2 ourselves, and then we're going to copy the 2 and paste the 2 instead of all the 3's. So in this way, this one is corrected. One thing more, the yes is given numeric number 1 in most of the questions. So replace all, and you can see 432 replacement has been made, and the no is given numeric 2. Replace all, and 131 replacement has been made. Now when we converted the no into, if you notice the don't know, they have been converted into this kind of a thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, find and replace, paste exactly this form, and then convert it into 3. Replace all the don't know has been converted into 3. If some are missing, again repeat the same procedure. Okay, replace all. Okay, you can see all replacement has been made of the don't knows. So the rest all are different numbers with the different values. We're going to replace these alphabet with the numbers, and you will get the numeric data. For example, once you convert all the alphabetical form into a numeric form, what you're going to do is you're going to copy it. For example, this is the numeric form data. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to my original SPSS variable view, go to the data view, click on the ID, click paste, and you can see this data has been entered. If you press this label value button, this will convert into our numbers. So in such way you have to copy all your online responses into SPSS. Once you entered your online questionnaire, then we will proceed forward to the analysis. That's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope this cleared all your queries about the online questionnaire responses. If you have any further queries, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much.